Of all the Thanksgiving dishes out there, cranberry sauce is by far the easiest to prepare. I'll show you how to do it right now. Into a hot pan, we're going to place 1 cup of water and 1 cup of sugar. You're going to need the sweetness from the sugar to balance out the tartness of the cranberries. And give that a little stir. And then we're going to add our cranberries in, about 12 ounces of cranberries. And then while this comes to a simmer, we're going to go ahead and add some flavor. I'm going to grab an orange. I'm just going to zest it real quick. Get some nice orange flavor in there. The zest of an orange actually has even more flavor than the juice itself. Okay, then we're going to juice the orange. Just squeeze it with your hand here. Get that juice in there. And we're going to add just a pinch of salt. Then we're going to toss in a cinnamon stick to add that delicious spicy flavor. Delicious. Now as this comes to a simmer, you're going to hear your cranberries start to pop and burst open, releasing all of their flavor as well as their pectin, which will help to thicken our sauce here. Keep it at a low simmer, stirring gently for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now as you start reaching that 10-minute mark, you can help those cranberries along by crushing them against the edge of the pot. You can use a spatula for this, or you can grab a potato smasher, anything that works. Just give them a little crush. They don't have to be pureed or anything. You want that texture. Now I was at the store yesterday and I saw these delicious raspberries, which I thought to myself, can I put that in cranberry sauce? And as a home cook, the answer is always yes. Have fun, experiment, try something new, and see if you like it. So I'm going to add these in about 6 ounces, 5 ounces or so, just a small handful of it. I'm just going to mix those in for the few remaining minutes here. It's not necessarily a traditional thing, but you can totally do it if you'd like. Now mine's been simmering for about 13 minutes or so now, and you can see it's definitely thickened up, but it's still a little bit runny, and that's okay because it's going to continue to thicken as it cools. So I'm going to go ahead and pull mine off the heat. And I'll go ahead and let this rest on the counter for a minute or so, just to cool down a bit. That's basically it. Your cranberry sauce is done. You can go ahead and get it into this bowl here so you guys can see it better. That looks good. All right, see how that's a little thicker now? And this will still continue to thicken as it cools more. Let's go ahead and give this a taste. See how it is. I really like the raspberry in there. It's just a little extra flavor. I'm kind of partial to raspberries. I think they're delicious. But you don't have to put them in there. If you don't like raspberries, don't put them in there. I can taste the seeds. I don't think that's a real downside for me, but it might be for you. But either way, this is going to be a delicious cranberry sauce for your next Thanksgiving to complement any of your other dishes. Hope you enjoy it. Now go make something delicious for somebody you love. Here guys, try this cranberry sauce. And Jonah, I put raspberries in it this time.
Oh, nice. Oh, so good. So